Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is our physical health day, and I am going to tell you about very important organ of our body. But first, let me ask you some question. Have you ever wondered what keeps you alive every single day of the day? It's your heart, a powerful, tireless organ that never takes a break. In this video, we will explore how your heart is formed, how it works, what happens when it stops, and how to keep it healthy with food, sleep, exercise, and even emotions. So stay with us till the end because understanding your heart is understanding your life. How the heart is formed. Your heart starts forming just a few weeks after conception. It begins as a simple tube, but by the time you are born, it has become a strong, muscular, four-chambered pump about the size of your fist. Even before you take your first breath, your heart is already beating. That's how essential it is. Your life literally starts with your heartbeat. What happens if the heart stops? The heart doesn't just pump blood, it delivers oxygen, nutrients, and life to every part of your body. If the heart stops, everything else begins to shut down. Your brain, your lungs, your kidneys, they all depend on the heart. Within seconds, your brain cells start dying due to lack of oxygen. This can lead to a permanent brain damage, unconsciousness, or even death. Heart failure can occur through cardiac arrest, heart attack, or severe heart rhythm problems. But that's not all. When your heart weakens, it puts extra stress on other organs. Your lungs can fill with fluid. Your kidneys may stop filtering. Your muscles lose strength. Everything in your body is connected to your heart. How to keep the heart healthy? Taking care of your heart doesn't have to be complicated. Here are the basics. Sleep well. 7 to 9 hours a night allows your heart to repair and regulate blood pressure. Exercise regularly. Even a 30-minute walk a day improves circulation and strengthens your heart muscle. Reduce stress. High stress increases blood pressure and weakens heart tissue. Practice yoga and breathing exercises. These calm your nervous system and support healthy heart rhythms. Stay emotionally positive. Joy, gratitude, and love can actually lower your heart rate and improve your heartbeat regularity. And remember, this is just the beginning of understanding how to protect your heart. In our upcoming videos, we will explore even more like the best and worst food for your heart, how your emotions can affect your heartbeat, and what kind of exercise is actually good for your heart. So stay tuned because taking care of your heart means taking care of your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments what do you do to take care of your heart. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.